Hi friends, the third session is about real-time face detection. We'll see the introduction to face detection. What it means, okay? It is the action of locating human faces in an image and optionally returning different kinds of face-related data. So what actually happens in face detection? First thing is capturing. Camera will be capturing the things. Then it will extract, then it will compare, then it will match with the expressions. Okay, so to detect the face, okay, in the real-time face detection, there are two approaches. One is knowledge-based approach, which must be precise or it will not give proper output, desired output. The second is feature-based approach. Okay, feature-based approach, the best example is Snapchat. Filter will be moving with our face. If we move our face up and down, even the filters will be moving with that face. So that is feature-based approach. In a real-time face detection, the face is recognized with 68 landmark points. So we'll see some of the functions for face detection in PictoBlocks. So you can see on the screen. First you have to create an object named FT to get access to the face detection extension and its methods. The first function is ft.analyze_stage. What it does, it will analyze the video from the stage. The second one, ft.analyze_camera. Here the video from the camera will be analyzed. Next, to turn on the camera, we have to give this function, that is fd.video. In the bracket, in the double quotation, you will be writing on. Then to count the number of faces, there is a function, that is ft.count. The fifth one is to detect the facial expressions. You have got the function as ft.expression. Next one is to check the expression of a particular face, whether it is happy or sad, So there is a function called ft.isExpression. This function has two parameters. First denotes the face number that you want to analyze, and second parameter denotes emotion. Let us start with the activity. Today we are going to make a face emotion detector, where by seeing our face it will detect which kind of expression the person is giving. So we'll take a fresh file. Same way, Python. So we are taking Toby only here. We'll place the Toby in the corner. Actually, what in this project we are going to make today is the first thing. We are going to turn on the camera. Then to detect face. Then to make Toby say the facial expressions. So for that, first variable you have to give to store that expression. So ft is equal to face detection next, the first thing you have to turn on the camera. So to turn on the camera, what was the function used? It is ft.video. In the bracket you have to mention in the double quotation on. So by this the video will be turning on. Next, what you have to do, it has to detect the face, right? So for that, what we are going to use, which function? ft.enableBox. Here with this is the bounding box what you are going to use, like to detect the face. Okay, in a square it comes on the screen when the face is detected. That is the bounding box we are using. I am mentioning here what it is for. To enable bounding box. Next thing, we are going to set the threshold. Threshold is a limit which is set for the confidence level of the computer. It values from 0.1 to 0.9. 0.1 will be the least, the medium one is 0.4 you can give. The function what we are using is fd dot set threshold. So the value we are going to give in this is 0.4. 0.1 till 0.9 is the available values for that threshold. Now comes our while loop, colon, indentation. First it has to analyze the camera and find the count of faces. Okay, so for that we are giving a function. We are calling a function that is fd dot analyze camera. Okay, next we'll start if statement. If we are calling a function count, fd count. If this is greater than 0, means you got face detected. The sprite must say what? The sprite must say the expression, right? For that there is a function is, for that the function is fd dot expression. Okay, next is else. What it must say? We are giving another statement, that is sprite must say, sprite dot say in the double quotation, no face detected. Is that simple? So we'll run the code. Before that we'll save the project with the name face emotion detector. Click on the save button. We are going to run the code now. First thing, it will put on the video camera. I am making the full screen. It's still running. No face detected. Can you see this? I'm just making it full screen. So it is showing the expression. I had not given any expression, so it is showing neutral. I'm stopping the code. Here there is a camera icon. You click on that if you want to stop the video. This is how we created a face emotion detector with the Python code. Next session we'll be seeing Chat GPT. Thank you.